So we come back to what we are here for. That was something about our company and what we do. Uh, Coming back to what industry is looking out for, basically the number of desirables that organizations look for while recruiting and training their people or career building of their young engineers. Because frankly, no industry hires engineers to let them go. There are a number of points that I mentioned here, and they are actually items which form part of the whole. Now, depending on the industry, the focus could be on one or two or three, and they may have weightage differentially in their own way. So these are all the points. How the industry weighs their options is something that is dependent on the industry and their requirements. Even in the same industry, coming for say 4 positions or 5 positions in your organization, in your college for recruitment, the requirements may be different for two and different for three or four others. So basically, it is the requirement of the job or the responsibility that the industry is looking for that is trying to align with the people it is trying to hire or build career. So how does a young engineer who is now basically looking forward 2 year hence, because what I'm thinking is that this is a more adept for somebody who has just uh, passed out of the second year, fourth semester, and going into the fifth semester, how to basically appraise himself whether he fits correctly into the industry model or not. So what is it that the industry is looking for? First thing is academia. It is very important that you are academically sound, but it is also industry also looks not just the academic excellence that you have, but also certain other traits that you have unconsciously learned. You learn a lot of things in your college, a lot of things that actually comes from your social environment, your teachers, and then living together, all the number of things that you learn when you are in a college. So industry actually looks at everything as a comprehensive package. So engineer is not just somebody who knows what a mechanical machine looks like, but also somebody who has other traits as well. So what are the things that what are the desirable qualities of an engineer? So that before we go there is a disclaimer I'd like to mention here. The content of this webinar actually are not designed for interviews. So those who are thinking that this is an interview training session, please remove that idea from your minds. This is not for interviews. This is basically an overall expectation of an industry from the day you join or you are looking to join to the day you excel and become a chairman or whatever the industry can take you to them. However, some of these you can utilize in interviews as well. So it is not entirely out of an interview purview, but it is not designed for the interview.